Okay, while the traffic is somewhat quiet, I just want to show you this gorgeous fuchsia that I bought earlier this summer, about $100. It's at its peak right now, but it's also the end of October, so it's time to take it inside. So I have a bucket, I have a shovel, I have some oatmeal, I have a garage, so that's about it. You just keep it slightly moist all winter and bring it back out. This one's 1 year old, just this summer. Let me show you another. Oh, and before I do that, I just want to introduce you to a flower that I just discovered. Right here. This is known as Biddens. Biddens, I had to look it up this morning because I had forgotten the name. It's a perennial. And the weird name is Biddens triplinerva, which means three-nerved. Triplinerva, three-nerved, like beggar masters or something crazy. I don't know. Biddens. Interesting plant. And hopefully it'll be back bigger next year. But over here, let's take a look. This fuchsia, same size, is actually 2 years old. And I have to bring it inside as well. 2 years old, weathered over in a garage last winter, and look at it now, hey? But I kind of want to keep it for one more week. Well, when I do dig it up, I'll film that. But right now, it's too nice to dig up. And while we're here, let's just take a quick look at the marine environmentalist. Here's his sign. Marine environmentalist is delicate. With respect. Please don't touch. Here he is. He's got flowers on his head. Isn't he looking festive? Amongst all these beautiful pink hydrangeas. We got a couple cracks, and I fixed them. You can see the line down his leg there. Now, if it doesn't crack before spring, I'll go over it with copper to make it blend in. But I'm just gonna wait and see. There's a couple more cracks that I fixed on the back. Hopefully this winter he won't crack again, and then I'll make the finish consistent. Weather. Look at these tallest grasses I've ever seen. Just blooming red. And then around the corner, the braided willow has gone berserk. Seems to be very happy. And we got some smaller fuchsias down there with impatience that I'm just gonna let die when the winter kills them. Over here is something exotic. It's called beautyberry. And the berries are beauty. They get much bigger, but this one's struggled. That's the best it's ever done. Okay, it's a quiet moment on Beach Avenue, so let's make it quick. I got this fuchsia. We're gonna put it in this pot. First, we're gonna lay down about an inch soil, just so that the roots are not touching cold plastic. Nice little bed for the feet. Okay, then you want to dig up a root ball as close to the pot size as you can manage. There you go. First, before we put that in, don't forget oatmeal, doesn't matter what kind, a healthy handful, and then scramble it around slightly. Okay, I'll add some more soil and put it in the garage. And let's go do the other one. Because I do have a second pot right now. Shovel. Come on. This way. Let's get this done. Okay, that's about right. There you go. a good fit. Ready for winter. Okay, I'll show you what they look like when I get them in the garage. Hi. Here's my two beauties. One's almost as tall as me. To be clear, I've never seen fuchsias this big. These are the biggest ones I've ever taken care of. I'm very protective of them. They're very special. Hopefully they'll survive until spring. After I left you, I put bone meal in the second pot, which I had forgotten to do on camera. I also packed in soil all the way around the roots as tight as possible. Then I soaked both of them with water, and I'm gonna soak them again so that they get a nice watery start. I want to fill the tray down below with water to be absorbed from below. And yeah, to the back one. I wish I could replace these fluorescent lights with 4-foot full spectrum bulbs. Maybe I'll talk to one of the guys in the building and say, hey, you guys need full spectrum fluorescence above your fuchsias so that they have a chance to thrive over the winter, not just survive. Wouldn't that be awesome? Okay, until next time. Wait, is this a puppet show? Did somebody say a puppet show? Come on in. I'll show you first the Rex begonias. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a big one. 10. That's a big one. 10 Rex begonias. These sell for about $10 in, when they're available, which is for a very short period of time. So if you can winter them over, it's very good. So last year we had poor success, but this year they're potted differently and I'm more hopeful. Nice light from the north, so not too much. Then we have oleander here from Mexico. This is its second winter and it did really well last winter and then bloomed in the summer, so that's great. Here we have flowering maple, still flowers on it. When it's dried up and dropped everything, I'll probably trim it down to about half its height for the winter. Good? Okay, so next to the flowering maple, we have a fuchsia, which has finished blooming. Oh, damn, did I just crack? No, I cracked the bamboo. Fuchsia's fine. Next to it, we have a hibiscus, which is still flowering. Look at all the buds there. And above it are elephant ears, which I think this is their second winter as well. Down below, there's some elephant ears babies here, which probably won't survive, but we can live in hope here, right? We got 1, 2, 3 babies, and then finally a fuchsia, which this is its 4th year in the garage, and it seems to be very happy here for the winter. So this is another location different than the one we've been filming at, but you get a sense of what's valuable. Oh, back here we have a bunch more fuchsias that are all in one garbage bag because I was running out of pots. We're gonna keep them damp for about a month, and then as they drop stuff, we'll just slowly reduce the moisture level here, and then by springtime they're gonna be thirsty, and then we start them back up again, hopefully. Winter. Until next time.